If you've ever joked that modern developers spend more time doom-scrolling than coding, wait until you see IDE, the Y Combinator-funded tool that proudly mixes software engineering with Tinder swipes, TikTok binges, and even literal gambling while you wait for AI to generate your code. And the moment I heard about it, I had to dig deeper to figure out whether this is a productivity revolution or the final boss of Brainrot. IDE claims it saves 15 minutes every hour by eliminating context switching. But when you look closely, that number appears more like a bold marketing guess than something backed by data, especially when the same IDE encouraged distractions that most developers try to avoid. The platform itself is still in a closed beta, with no public pricing, no confirmed release timeline, and barely any real demos, just flashy animations and scientific-sounding explanations about dopamine cycles, cognitive load, and reward syncing, words that feel more like buzzwords than breakthroughs. And the strangest part is that YC is endorsing an environment that embeds slot machines inside a coding tool, something many devs are calling satire, rage bait, or a symptom of Silicon Valley completely losing the plot. While the creators say they're giving programmers a controlled outlet for boredom, others argue the constant micro-entertainment could quietly destroy deep focus habits that real productivity actually depends on. Reddit threads, Discord chats, and X posts are filled with developers torn between laughing at it and being genuinely concerned about what this means for the future of work. Because the idea of mixing dopamine hacking, entertainment with a core professional tool raises questions that go way beyond IDE itself. Before anyone rushes to install it, the bigger issue is that the tech world might be normalizing distraction as a feature, and that shift could change how we build, think, and even work in the years ahead,